Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with the message reads, "Sorry, something went wrong, unexpected error has occurred, please try again later," with the error code U521. So, common reasons why you keep getting U521 error codes include server issues such as outages, overloading or the website is being updated, payment method was not accepted due to insufficient funds, entered incorrect login details while trying to purchase tickets, and the last ones, unstable internet connections. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to clear your browser cache. Okay, so yan yung first solution na pwede natin gawin. So kung paano ba natin i-clear yung browser cache, so open lang natin ang ating Chrome My Browser. And dito lang sa top right corner, kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings. And dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung privacy and security. So, itap mo lang yan. And then dito sa privacy and security, yung pinakauna lang, makikita mo dito yung delete browsing data. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa delete browsing data, so may dalawang option dito na pwede natin i-select. Meron ditong basic and then yung advanced. Okay, so i-select mo lang dito yung advanced. And then dito sa kanyang time range, so pwede mo itong i-customize. So, pwede kang mag-select dito ng last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or ito naman yung last, ito yung all the time. Okay, so select mo lang yan. And then dito naman ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung cookies and other site data, and then yung cache images and files. So dapat naka-check tong box. And the next step dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung delete data. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan, and then wait natin. Okay, so once na-clear na siya, and then close lang natin tong browser, and then next solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space //DNS. So, kailangan mo lang i-type yung ipconfig space //DNS, and then one word yung //DNS, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. So, ang next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang dito yung NATSH space WenSock space reset. Okay, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na NATSH space WenSock space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully reset the WenSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Okay, so ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang ito. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix error code U521 and take it master. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.